بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So that certification status you can always verify on your link. So probably you can use this URL /go/certification.url. Now this URL will help you to log into your Cisco ID. Now this is something you will be doing for the first time. So if you don't have a Cisco ID and if you are trying to log in for the first time, you probably use this URL to log into that. And once you click on this, basically you can log in. Probably you need to register and create an account, Cisco account, and probably you can use this Cisco account every time you log into the Cisco website. Or basically here I'm not doing that because I already have a Cisco account, so I'll be using the existing Cisco ID to log in and verify. So probably you can use the same Cisco login or email address during the time of registering the exams. Okay, so once I log in, I can see some information here. Basically, you need to update, this is my Cisco ID, and probably you'll find all this information, mailing address and everything. Like these are the certifications, what I hold. Here you can see this is my CCIE, routing switching, service provider, and security certification. And this is going to retire probably in, probably from when I wrote my exams and probably when it is going to expire. So all these certifications, you can see they are valid, even though I wrote this one on 2012, and this is in 2012, and this is in 2018. But you can see the certification status is active till March 2020 with all my 3 CCIs. So which means I have, before this March 2020, I have to write any of the recertification exam. Like I can write any of these core paper now based on the new syllabus, or even if I write any other core and pass my CCIE, probably this will extend for the next 2 years. So you can verify this status information. You can also click on this certification progress options. So this is like overview, and similar information you'll find here. You can see. Okay, so I got the screenshot here on my slide. So basically this is the way you can check your certification status, and other information also you can update, like your mailing address, or if you want the copy of your certificate, you can use the other information as